Cleaning can be a tough task, but having the right tools can make it easier. In this video, we will guide you through the process of choosing the right cleaning tools for your needs. Before you start purchasing cleaning tools, assess your cleaning needs. Do you have pets or kids? Do you have carpets or hardwood floors? These factors will help you determine the type of tools and cleaning solutions you need. Different surfaces require different cleaning tools. For carpets, consider getting a vacuum or carpet cleaner. For hardwood floors, use a broom, mop, or steam cleaner. For windows, use a squeegee or microfiber cloth. Investing in quality cleaning tools is important. They may be more expensive, but they will last longer and do a better job in the long run. Cleaning can be physically demanding, so it's important to choose cleaning tools that are ergonomically designed to reduce strain and injury. In conclusion, choosing the right cleaning tools can make all the difference in getting your home or office clean and healthy. Consider your cleaning needs, the surface you are cleaning, the quality of the tools, and the ergonomics when making your choices. Remember, investing in quality tools now will save you time and money in the long run.